Oh, look at that. All right. Well, that's a classy box. Cool. Ooh. Okay. Let's unwrap this. I've got an injured finger here, so I'm kind of... I know that's lame, but... All right, let's see. Oh, that's sweet. That's a good-looking box. All right. Let's see what we got here on the back. HDMI. I'm going to assume this is out. Yep, this is output. We have optical output, 3.5 millimeter output. That'll be stereo, and then you can use 3.5 millimeter RCA to plug into your vintage receiver if you'd like, or do receiver, preferably vintage. Okay, this is our switching from optical to HDMI. The proper style SMA connector, right on, right on. USB-C. Oh, nice. I like this. Analog input, digital input, and HDMI input. All in a nice... That's a cool looking little package. This is your on-off switch. I like that. That's pretty cool. The prototype was a little different. In fact, I'll bring that out when I do the review. The prototype had the power input down here, and it was kind of hard to work with. All right, so we have a nice little higher gain type antenna, a nice Toslink cable with dust protection, dust caps on the end, 3.5 millimeter stereo, an HDMI cord. That's awesome. I'm not sure the price point on this. I want to say it's like 79 or 89 bucks. I should probably look. You know what? It's so new. Oh man, look at this, you guys. This is awesome. Check this out. Comes with an AC adapter. I need to check the price point on this. I believe this was $79 to $89. But a $79, $89 piece of gear with a power adapter, and that's, you know, that's a decent quality adapter. I've seen this before. That's sweet. And look at this. USB-C, full-size USB-C, a flat cable. Looks like there's a lot there, so I'm going to say it's probably at least 3 or 4 feet. That's awesome. And then, of course, instructions. Cool. All right, you guys. Now I'm done with my unboxing video. Stay tuned. I can't wait to get this hooked up and start reviewing it. Cheers.